What's going on, YouTube? So today, like I said in the last video, I'm just gonna come over here, put these clamps in here, and get this board, get this header straight. As you can see down there, it's at an angle a little bit, and make it as straight as possible. It's not gonna go anywhere, but it'd rather be safe than sorry. I was gonna record putting these nails in, but all I really did was just, make a pre-drill with the bit, and then put 4-inch screws in here. You technically really don't need galvanized screws, and the difference between galvanized screws and regular screws, galvanized screws are to prevent rust, and regular screws are just regular screws. End up one day with rust on them, you can't get them out. Strip the screw in the wall, you know what I mean? These right here will not rust. And something about like it takes less of your battery voltage or whatever from your drills and stuff like that. I don't see a difference, but yeah, I'm gonna get this straight, and then we're gonna go ahead and start putting these beams in up here. Now I'm gonna record how we decided to do this because we've came up with like 4 or 5 different ways of doing this. We got all the boards and stuff outside. We're just gonna have to take the drawer out front because they're 14 feet long 2x4s. So obviously you can't bring those in and cut them inside here. So just gonna take it outside, cut them up, and then yeah, I'll fast pace all that, show you guys how we do all that, make the exact measurements, because again, we're debating on putting it on this header here, but we're not too sure just yet. And yeah, I'll keep you guys posted.